Today we're going to be setting up another Midland weather alert radio. This is the WR120B NOAA all hazards radio. This is setup number 3 of 4. I was in here a week or two ago when we had all that crazy rain and flooding and wind and whatnot, and I could hear the alert tone from the one in the living room, but I couldn't hear what it was saying. It was too quiet. So I do need one in here, which I expected. That's why I bought enough to put one in here as well. So I need to clean up this room. It's a complete disaster, and it's possible that I might move the radio around once I clean up. Perhaps I'll mount it on the side of the cabinet there or something like that. I have not really decided yet, but for now, just so we have the functionality in this room, I'll just set it up here on the table. Here's the power cord, which of course is within the plastic film. Here's the radio itself, which is also within the plastic film. So first we'll open the legs, and then we'll put the batteries in. These are Tenergy branded rechargeable batteries. I've had these for a long time. These are probably 5 or 7 years old, and they don't hold a charge as long as they used to anymore. So I'm going to be buying a new set of rechargeable batteries soon, but these are still good for applications like this where it's not going to be drawing a lot of power. Okay, that came on. It does not indicate that the battery is low, so that should be fine. But we're going to go ahead and plug it in now. And actually, for the moment, I might just leave it like that. I'll have to see if this gets a signal here or not. Okay. Let's get this. Zoom in so that you can see it. Well, you really can't see it. How about that? Yeah, it works. That's good enough. Okay, let's check the language. Select. The location, I'm not really worried about that. That's fine. The time is 10:08 AM. 10:08. Oh, I gotta go like this to get it to AM. Okay. That's the one that we use.
41 degrees. Dense fog advisory.
That's the only one that comes in around here. Okay, setup is done. It says Okay, it should be good to go. We'll turn the volume up all the way.
Rain after midnight. Near steady temperature in the lower 40s. Southeast winds around 5
It's not really
miles
getting
per
a
hour.
good signal here.
Chance of rain 20%. Wednesday, cloudy. A chance of rain in the morning. And rain likely in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, rain. Near steady temperature in the upper 40s. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely.
Alright, this is not good. It's not getting enough
Highs in the
signal
low
here.
50s.
We'll have to put it somewhere else.
Miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday night. Showers. Showers. Chance of rain showers. Lows are in the 30s. Saturday, partly sunny. Chance of rain showers in the morning. Highs in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly
Well, it likes to be right there, but
lows in the lower 30s.
it's not gonna.
Sunday,
It can't just be in the middle of the
highs in
table.
the lower 40s.
That's kind of
Sunday
ridiculous.
night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. New Year's Day, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s.
Can we go over here, maybe?
The coastal waters forecast from March's Inlet to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Dense fog advisory in effect until noon today. For today, northeast winds around 5 knots, becoming late. Seas 2 to 3 and southeast swell. Areas of fog late this morning. Patchy fog late. Visibility less than 1 nautical mile late this morning, then 1 to 3 nautical miles late. For tonight,
That's not too bad, though I don't really want it to be there.
Seas 2
Let's
to 3.
try over here, maybe.
Patchy fog. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical
Nope, nothing there.
afternoon. 10 to 15 knots.
So it looks like
Seas around 3 feet.
here
Rain.
is pretty
Visibility 1 to
good.
3 nautical miles. The marine forecast for Long Island.
I could live with it like that if I had to, I think.
To the mouth of the Connecticut River and
It's not what I would
Point.
prefer, but
Dense fog advisory in effect until noon today. For today, east winds around.
can't hang it on this apparently. Nope, it does not get.
Southeast winds around 5 knots.
Oh, could we do that
Seas
maybe?
1 foot or less. Patchy fog.
Oh, shoot.
5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or
That's
less.
pretty good.
Chance of rain in the morning, then rain likely in the afternoon. And for Wednesday night, east winds. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. The marine forecast for Peconic and Gardner's Bays. Dense fog advisory in effect until noon today. For today, northeast winds around 5 knots, becoming southeast late.
It's relatively clear.
Areas of fog late this morning. Patchy fog.
Whoops.
Nautical miles away. Southeast winds around 5 knots. 3 nautical miles. For Wednesday, east winds 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Rain. Visibility 1 to 3
Well,
nautical
I guess
miles.
for now,
The marine forecast.
I'll just put it up there.
South Shore Bays. Dense fog advisory in effect until noon today. For today, northeast winds around 5 knots, becoming east late. Waves 1 foot. Visibility less than 1 nautical mile late this morning, then 1 to 3 nautical miles late.
work like that. It's not really ideal because you can't see the display that good, but I think we're going to be stuck with it. So for now, I'm just going to slip it up here like this, and it seems to be working well enough. And then later on, once I've cleaned up the garage, if I can't find somewhere else that gets a better signal, I'll try to mount it on the side of the table up there, and I think that'll work.